Fox 26, Fighting Fentanyl, sponsored by the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools.
Fox 26 is partnering with the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools to bring you this special report on the deadly drug fentanyl. We are highlighting the partnership between schools, law enforcement, and the County of Fresno to teach communities about the dangers of this drug. In this edition of Fighting Fentanyl, I examine how school districts are educating students as well as parents. With over 43,000 students, the Clovis Unified School District has faced its share of challenges. When fentanyl showed up in their community, officials say they had to act.
When it came to fentanyl, I think we've learned a little bit about some of the past crises that we've had in our community. And we realized that if we want to make an impact, it has to be multiple methods of communication.
District officials said it was important to get the word out to both students and parents because many didn't know a lot about fentanyl and how dangerous it is.
This was a lot different in just the severity of even one dose of this drug.
Clovis Unified uses its campus resources officers to help spread awareness.
The reason it's so dangerous, it's 50 to 100 times stronger than heroin.
These officers are on every high school campus and have developed a relationship with students.
They're a friendly face. They're a face that is there to support, and the students know that they can go to the officer and they can ask for help or resources, and that they truly do value and care for them.
The district uses its website, newspaper, and social media to flood information out to parents and students. It hosted our recent town hall on the dangers of fentanyl at its Clovis North High School campus.
If we're going to make a difference and a dent in this, we have to start with us.
Counseling and other resources are available to students. The focus is fighting a drug that targets young people.
We too are about awareness, education, and making sure that they get the right help that they need. There's an accountability piece, but that's not the priority for us. The priority is to make sure that they're healthy and safe.
Of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools is encouraging schools to take an active role in fentanyl awareness.